Hi, and welcome back to episode 2. Well, it's not really an episode, but whatevs. All I want to say is skibbity bobbity boop. Alright, for real. For the artists that are having a hard time with their work or struggling in getting better at drawing, if you're drawing from your mind, think of it that you really don't know what it looks like until it's on your canvas. It's, you know, in your mind, but it's not on the canvas. So the only way to know is to at least put some lines down, and you know what you're going to be working with. That way you can shape it the way you need to. Another thing would be that without practice you would not know what you need to work on to get better. So I recommend, you draw a few pictures, don't stop there, draw some more pictures, and keep on trying. Don't give up. You get frustrated, take a second, look away, take a break, and then come back with fresh eyes and a fresh mind. It helps a lot. That's a little bit of how I think on drawing and my positive message for today. Have a good one and enjoy the rest.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess.